Do you know how to read? You can read out something loudly, okay? And reading is not just when you mouth you start reading, okay? You have to be observing the full stop, the comma in any script that you are reading, okay? Now, after all those reading, you will be getting paid for it. Disclaimer, please note, this is not a get rich quick. This is not a Ponzi scheme, okay? This is for educational purposes, okay? On this video, I'm going to teach you how to reading and you'll be getting paid for it. So far, you can read English, you can understand English, you are good to go. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, my name is Amaka and I teach people on how to make money online. Subscribe to this channel because I keep dropping better updates that will enable you to earn online. Join our WhatsApp group because we keep dropping updates every now and then. And also like this video, share it and check other videos in the description of this for you to earn online. Watch this video from beginning to the end because I'm going to give you a tips on how to do the registration on this website. But these tips are not guaranteed. They are for educational purposes and my experience on earning, okay? You are making here is based on your experience. I am also going to share my experience with you. Your earning is not guaranteed, all right? It is based on the way you were able to tackle your own task, okay? So what is the name of this website? It is pillar8.com. Your Chrome and input pillar8.com, or just after watching this video, look at the comment section. You will see the link there. Click on it. It will bring you into this website, okay? Now once you come to this website, do not rush to apply, okay? I'm going to show you some certain things. Remember, your payment here is based on your ability. When you watch this video from beginning to the end, I am going to put out everything that you need to know so that during your own registration, you will not make some mistake. There are some tips I am going to give you, okay? In this registration, you need to listen carefully and attentively, all right? Now, when you come here, you will see that they said you can use your phone and you can use laptop. Anyone that you have, you can use it. Anyone that you are friendly with, okay? If you can use your phone, fine. If you can use your laptop, they accept it as well, okay? And the earnings on this platform is based on your experience, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the opportunities you can partake, the one you want to go into when you are registering, okay? Now, there is the one for single person script reading. I'm going to explain it for you. This is a place where they will bring out a script for you, okay? In that script, you will be reading, all right? So, at the end of this video, we are going to do a task, and in that task, okay, I'm going to show you how you will be reading, not just reading a script, but there are things you need to observe while reading. That is why you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you'll be able to pass that task once and for all once you start your own. Now let's continue. Then the next one is English conversation. Can you and someone be having conversation in English confidently? If you are doing that, they will be paying you $20 to $30 per hour when you apply for it, okay? Our option is for people that want to be having discussion and they will be getting paid for it. Another option is emotional acting. Can you act emotionally, okay? Like behave as if you are crying, you are laughing, you are like all these emotional behaviors. Can you do all those kind of things? If you can go also and apply it, okay? You can also look up and see other opportunities. If the opportunity you are looking for here is not among this place, all you can do is to click on the second button, okay? You will see more opportunities, okay? I don't want this video to be long, so I will go ahead and continue with the registration. Remember, this platform is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme. Here you are training AI and you'll be getting paid for every activities that you did effectively here, okay?
Your payment is not guaranteed. It's based on the results you're able to provide.
So after you finish going through these opportunities and tasks you will be doing on this platform, and when you do your work diligently, they are going to pay you, all right? Each work you do here has a particular amount of payment, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of the day. You know you are getting valued already. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing more updates like this. And when YouTube knows that you like those things, they will keep pushing it to you. You'll be among the first people that we partake on. Remember, this is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme, but I'm going to detail for you how you can register, how you can build your profile here, okay? So you click on this apply now up here, all right? the system will say continue with Google. All right, you should have your email ready stored in your Google. All right, then when you click continue with Google, okay, it's going to bring out all my emails and I will choose the particular one that I want. All right, now I have chosen the particular email that I want. I will continue with the Google. Okay, you click on the continue with the Google. Keep watching this, do not skip any parts, because I will be explaining each and every details they bring out for you. Any information they bring out for you, I will tell you one or two things that you needed to do. Okay, so that is the reason why you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, and they will also ask you to do a test. Okay, and that test we are going to do it here. Okay, how you can be reading and how you can be earning. You need to read. That is the reason why you are on this platform. Okay, remember, it is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi, but you are trying to train an AI so that the AI will understand human voices. Okay, now if you come here, you put your full name. Please make sure that put your first name, then you put your second name, put your gender. Okay, anywhere you are in the world you can apply. So, and in this place I'm going to show you something. Okay, if you are not, if your country is not here, all right, you can choose any place of your choice. Okay, it is all left for you, but me, I am going to choose others. Okay, since my country is not there. All right, then you continue, you put your date of birth and also the year of your birth. Just be honest and continue the registration. There is nothing hard here. It is very easy and simple. Do you understand me? So now they will ask you, what is your current occupation? Just tell them what you are doing. Okay, then the next one, how do you find us? Okay, tell them anywhere how you find them. All right, so you continue, and if you have a referral code, you put. If you don't have a referral code, fine and good, you are good to go. Okay, then you click on continue. All right, in this place, you are going to select the country that you are from. Okay, read this important notice that they said here. Your payout country must match your ID. After approval, country changes are limited, and withdrawal only work with the bank account in the selected country. Okay, this is the reason why anywhere you are in the world, you can partake on this website. Okay, you can read and you will get paid, so far you provided them with your honest opinion and you are able to read out loud. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm going to put in this place, I'm going to search for my country. Okay, I am in Nigeria. All right, they ask you to put the state, so I'm going to put the state. Okay, so now I will click. Look at this place, you must click this place. Okay, you must click on this I understand. All right, then you now continue. Okay, now you have input that, you will see that your step is 1/4. All right, meaning that we are moving ahead and the progress bar is also moving. Okay, so in this place they're going to ask you the language that you understand fluently. Okay, if you know any language that you understand very well, whether English, French, Arabic, Japanese, Spanish, okay, any language that you understand very well, you know that you can speak fluently. Okay, you put it there. So I am going to put English because it is English that I speak very well. All right, now I have put the English. They will ask you what is the level of English that you understand. Okay, now they will ask you native, fluent, advanced, intermediate, elementary, any one of your choice. Just go ahead and choose it. Okay, I'm going to choose fluent. All right, so they will ask you what best describes your accent. Every country has their own accent. The way Nigerians speak is not the way Ghanaians speak. The way Ghanaians speak is not the way UK people speak. So go ahead and look for your own country and choose. So I'm going to choose Nigerian. Okay, now what country best match your accent? Now they're asking me the best country that match my accent, so I'm also going to put Nigeria there. Okay, I'll put. They asked me if I was born and live in Nigeria for my whole life. I'm going to select yes or no. Okay, when you come here, you make your own choice. All right, they ask what city did you grow up in. All right, I'm going to say, I'm going to put the city where I grew up from. All right, I'll put my city there. They will ask you what is your level of education. Okay, I'm going to put my level of education. Then when you get there, you put your own. So now they will ask you, do you have other languages that you speak fluently? All right, now you will see other languages here. If there is any other one that you speak very well, okay, even if you are speaking Yoruba very well, look at Yoruba, that place, you put Yoruba. If there is okay, under African language, if you are speaking Swahili, you put. If you are speaking Zulu, if you are speaking Yoruba, you pick that you are speaking Yoruba. Okay, so that is it. I don't speak any other language except Igbo language, and the option for Igbo language is not here. And another language I want to select is French, because I speak and I understand French. Okay, so now they will ask you the level of your you look at the side of it, they will ask you your proficiency level in speaking that language. I'm going to say that I speak it elementary. Okay, now if there is any other language that you speak, you can go ahead and put it for the second time. If you speak up to five languages, just click on this plus button and you will put all those languages that you are speaking. So after inputting all of them, you check your details, okay, because anything that you put here will not be changed again. Then you click on continue. They will ask you to confirm. They will ask you to confirm and agree that everything that you put here are truth. Okay, now I'm going to click on the confirm and I also agree. So I'm going to submit my application. If you have watched this video from now and you know that I really showed you everything that you need to understand on this place, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Okay, ask me question anywhere that you are confused, like this video, because I will be bringing more updates like this for you. And also they say we should start our first task. So
once you click on that start test, it brings you here.
I am going to read this, but as I am reading this, it will not be, you cannot hear me. If I on the audio, you will not hear me. Okay, all you need to do during your own, the tips I'm going to give you here is this. When you reach your time to read, what you are going to do is this. First of all, okay, first of all, this is like a tips. It's not a get rich quick. Okay, it's not an assurance that I am giving you, but it's just a tips that I am giving you. Okay, now once you come here, okay, first of all, read this thing by yourself. Read it on your own first. After reading it, read it like 1 or 2 times by yourself. Okay, if there is a word you cannot pronounce, okay, look for a way to learn how to pronounce that word. Do you understand me? Then you now read it. Then as you are reading it, make sure that you are observing all the full stop, all the comma, all the question mark. Okay, those things are very important. This is the tips. It's not an assurance. Okay, it is a way of me telling you how you can be able to pass this audio test. Okay, now I am going to read this. After reading it, I will submit it, and after that they will now, after 24 hours, they will review it and unlock more opportunities for me. Okay, and also if you look down, you will see a recording tips. You click and open it. Okay, the first one say find a quiet space with no background noise. Okay, the place you are going to stay, there should not be any noise at all. The second one say read the full script at a steady and natural pace. Okay, just read it with your country voice. Do not start forming that you are from there, you are not from there. Just read it at your natural pace. Okay, now the last one says play it back to check it's clear before you submit. Okay, after the recording, make sure that you play it even more than 1 or twice to make sure that everything is correct. I don't know if you understand me. If you are getting value on this video, please subscribe to this channel, because I will be bringing more updates. Check the description of this video. You will see other means you can earn online. Go ahead and watch it and take actions on them. I will be putting all the link at the description of this video. Okay, all of them are, none of them is a Ponzi. All of them are better ways to make money online. Okay, so now after checking these recording tips, okay, the next thing you do is to click on this recording. Click here. Okay, then you can start recording. Okay, I am going to log out, because if I continue, you will not be hearing anything that I am saying. And while I am reading this thing, I am obeying all the comma, all the full stop, everything that I need to do while reading, and I will speak out loud. And very important one, stay in a very quiet environment. That is very, very important. Don't stay where noise is, that will attract noise to your voice. Okay, You see how I was able to detail everything for you to understand in a simplest form? That is how all my videos is. Check the description of this video. You will see other ways to make money online and go and take actions immediately. All right. If you really find value in everything that I detailed in this video, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, ask me a question, and I will respond to you immediately. Okay. Do not forget to join our Telegram group and our WhatsApp group, because we keep dropping tips on ways to make money online and we keep supporting each other. Okay. So I will be dropping the link at the description of this video, not in the comment section. Check the WhatsApp and the Telegram group at the description of this video. Thank you all. I really appreciate you for your support.